Hello everyone. In this video you will learn the importance of YouTube video SEO. Thumbnail. Intro of video. Importance of video content. Topic. Duration of video. Ending of video. Have you fed up with non-growth of your YouTube channel? Do you make a good quality content and even then your channel doesn't get viral? Don't you get the more views for your videos? You don't need to be worried anymore because I'm here to help you out from this problem. All you need to do is just watch the video carefully and with full attention. I've made a top-rated video of YouTube video SEO which includes the best tips and tricks for SEO. By applying these tips and tricks on your videos you can also earn millions of views. I've distributed these tips into different parts. Each part has its own importance, so watch every part carefully and so you could implement it on your videos correctly. First of all, I would like to discuss the thumbnail, as thumbnail have the first impression on the viewers about your video. So it must be very attractive and catchy. If you able to made the attractive thumbnail, then you have made 30% of success in making your video viral. After the thumbnail, most important part of your video is intro of your video. The intro should be a brief summary of the video in which you clarify the viewers about the video, that what they gonna watch in your video and what will they learn, or whether they gonna be entertained by your video. Let's move to the next step. That's one of the most part in YouTube video SEO. The title or topic of your video. This step has the most importance in video SEO. The reason behind this is that your viewer wants to know that particular thing in your video. So your video about the topic should be informative, knowledgeable and contain detailed research about. When you have made a good thumbnail, good intro and good informative video, then here's come another important step. That's the length of the video. The length of the video should be according to topic of your video. For example, the topic or information in your video could be completed in 4 to 5 minutes and you are uselessly increasing the duration of video. It will not be good for you, as your viewer will lose interest in the video and will soon leave watching your video, and secondly it will badly impact on channel in a way that these viewers will hardly come back to your channel as they didn't find your video interesting. If you implement these steps well, then your chances to go viral will be 100%. Tip about the ending the video is task for you to find it in my video's end. I've a clue ending of my video. If you find it out, then let me know in comments section. My next video will be very interesting and entertaining. I'll upload that very soon. For that you should subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified of my video and watch it first.